We twinning or not?
Are we not?
You gotta talk like me. Simply shall.
Simply shall.
Period poo.
Period poo poo.
Like this. Period poo. Hey Simplies, and welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest with me. If you guys are new to my channel, then you probably don't know who this lovely lady is sitting next to me, but this is my beautiful mom. In today's video, your girl is about to be transforming my mom into me. You're gonna be looking like me.
I'm a little scared. You're gonna look like me.
Yeah, but you're really gonna look like me. You're basically gonna be looking like my look today. Because I came from you, so I look like you anyway, but you're gonna look like my style today.
Okay.
Before we get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you never miss when I upload. And also, as I'm getting my mom glammed up to look like me, I asked you guys to ask my mom some questions that you want to know. So I'm gonna read those questions off as we get her dolled up, and she's gonna answer them. You scared of the questions?
Absolutely not.
Because I don't know what they ask.
Bring it. Honesty's the best policy.
Matter of fact, how you want to do this? You want to turn this way, or you want me to?
I'm comfortable. I gotta get behind me. Yeah, I'm getting nervous now.
Why are you getting nervous?
You're frightening me.
Mom, stop.
Oh my God.
We gotta do something with this gray. Okay?
No, I'm not.
We gonna dye it.
No, wait. Can you rub it a little bit?
Okay, I can rub it a little bit.
That feels amazing. Oh.
First question that we have, how was Michelle when she was little? Did you whip her a lot?
Absolutely not. She was the best baby ever. Like, from the day she came out, you wouldn't even know she was in the room. She didn't
What's the
cry.
room?
Like the living room.
You mean the room, Mom, the room.
She was really a good baby, even into her adolescent years. Every child goes through little things, but overall.
You did beat me. You beat me that one time when I pooped on myself. You beat me.
Well, you got beat because you knew better not to.
But my bottom was sore. You beat me.
Okay, I tore that.
Why would you beat me? Because I couldn't hold my stool.
You went somewhere and she knew better.
No.
To come and get me and say, I gotta go number 2.
You beat me.
But she decided to do it in her pants. And
Mom,
you was how old?
I don't know, but why would you beat me?
Because you shouldn't have pooped in, and then it was diarrhea. That was that stinky doo-doo. But, no, that's the wrong side.
No.
Wait,
what side?
You got side on this side.
All right, Mom.
Oh, that's my eyeboy because I'm nervous.
Mom, stop. I'm trying to get the part right.
You can't.
If you're gonna come on my channel critiquing, you got to get off.
Ow! See? Now
Mom,
it's abuse.
I'm gonna give you another question. What are your top pet peeves?
Well, let's see. You ever see somebody dig up all the way up in their nasal cavity and pluck it? That is
Mom, stop.
So seriously.
You hate when people dig in their nose?
I can't stand it. That's what tissue is for.
Like out
I
in the
don't
public?
like that. I can't. Even if you're in the house, if we're inside, you gotta go all the way up in the nasal cavity like you doing your own test, and then you gonna pluck it, and then you hear it hit the wall. And I also like when people pass gas and don't say, "Excuse me," or remove themselves, and then everything's
Mom,
solid.
you're the main one that be cutting it out wherever we at the table.
I have gastritis.
Yeah, but you be doing it though. So how you gonna say you hate when people do it?
Yeah, but I say, excuse me. And I give warning if I can't get up. You know I got a bad knee. So.
Dirty nails?
That's number 1 for a man. Listen, if you got a little bit of dirt underneath your nails, don't even say hi to me. That means if you ain't got your nails clean, down there ain't clean. So, boy, bye.
What's something you want to tell Shells that will help or benefit her moving forward in life?
I am so proud of my daughter. Never stop. Keep going. Climb to the top. Dream big. Don't let nothing stop you from grinding, because as long as you put God first, He will bless you. Because there's been many times that she's supposed to do a video and something will come along and distract her.
Yep. And
I'll tell her, nope, get it together, put your big girl panties on, go wash your face and record.
Yep.
So there's nothing too big or nothing too hard that God can't make happen. You just have to believe it in order to receive it. So I'm going to tell you, just keep striving and keep doing what you're doing, because I am super proud of you. Ah! Ah!
Try to get her to go natural, y'all. My mom's hair was all the way down her back, and she cut it.
It's just too much.
It's a lot of maintenance.
I don't believe in hair salons. I may go every now and then just for a good scrub, but I cut my own hair, and it's getting too long.
On to the next question. What's your favorite childhood memory?
The first day I gave birth to my first child.
When you were a child?
I was
Mom,
a child.
I said a childhood memory.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I remember.
Go ahead.
Okay, so my mother's favorite sister, rest in peace, my woo woo. She lived right across the street from the Bronx Zoo, and she had 6 kids, and we were bad. I'm from the suburbs, and they live in the Bronx, so we go down there. We used to show off. We used to climb the fence, guys. We would climb the fence at midnight, sometimes 11 o'clock, when the zoo is shut down. We climbed the fence and we were running around the Bronx Zoo. All of us acting like maniacs. So that's, yeah, my favorite.
Oh, this is my MAC Studio Fix. It's just like a powder, and it helps like to take away any oil in your face. It makes me look a little darker, but I still use it anyway, because my face is very oily. So we just gonna get that right there, like that there. You gotta cut that nose hair.
I thought I did.
It's long, ma.
Good day.
You gotta get the. No, I'm not gonna tweet
You got
that.
scissors.
Oh, you got
I can't
freckles?
tweeze it.
That's where I got my freckles
yeah, my
from.
freckles are coming.
Yeah, I got them like you.
Yeah.
I want to do a ancestry DNA test where you
I
swab
told
your mouth.
you, Tiki did mine.
Yeah, it takes like a month to come back, but you order the kit and then you swab your mouth.
No, they have it in the shop at Walmart. You don't have to order it no more.
All right, so now I'm gonna put some lashes on, because you guys do know that I got my eyelashes done. So I had these already. So my mom has never did eyelashes before, and she told me she's very nervous about it. You nervous? Are you nervous about the lashes or the
This is the glue. What if it?
But this glue is not, it comes right off, Mom. I don't even know how to put eyelashes on, y'all. So this is gonna be my first time, because that's why I got them done. I don't know how to put them on. What's your favorite thing about Michelle?
My favorite thing about my daughter is she is a giver. Her heart is big as the city.
Open
She's
your eyes.
fun.
Oh.
Her heart, she'll do anything for anybody. We see a stranger on the street and they ask for $1, she'll give it to them.
Thank you, Mom. But I got my big heart from you. Almost. Yeah, that was good. Close.
Wait, don't put. I need to open my out. I need to open my eyes. I feel like it's shut. Michelle, please open my eyes.
Not yet, Mom.
I don't see the difference.
You can't see
My
the
eyes are puffy.
All right, you're good. Just stay like that. What's your least favorite thing about Michelle's personality? We're gonna go in with some glow, bronzer, just to bring it out.
You know what? Everybody has good days and bad days. And when she's in her mood, it's that time of the month, I stay away.
So I get moody.
So she only when you have your cycle. Or Michelle is the type of woman that she wants what she wants when she wants it yesterday. And if things don't go her way, one thing can go wrong throughout the day. Dun dada, dun dun dada. She's a perfectionist. She got that from me. But overall, I love her for good, bad, right, wrong, indifference.
What is your favorite dish or meal to cook? Before we go, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Ultra Liner Waterproof. You guys know I always do like the cat eyes, so we gonna get her cat eyes right.
You sure you don't want me to do it?
No.
You can do me?
Huh?
You sure you can do me?
Yeah.
Your eyelashes is popping.
Yeah.
Hating.
Why? Yeah, but some of them started coming out.
My eyebrows.
Some of them started coming out.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Don't say lasagna.
I can't do the cat eye on my mom. We're gonna get there. So now we're gonna go in with the NYX Liquid Suede Liquid Cream Lipstick.
I ain't doing a photo shoot.
Go, rub them together.
No, I look bald headed. Why you just didn't leave it out? I look bald headed. Where's my
Stop, Mom, it's there. All right.
I see
We getting somewhere. We getting somewhere or whatever.
Whatever.
Next time with them eyebrows, cause she ain't got no eyebrows. Her eyebrows is like.
Well, because somebody was supposed to take me when they got theirs done, but they just left me home.
But I'm not gonna do too much. I don't know how to do them.
They was popping when I had them done. Careful, that eyelash gonna come off. Shut up.
I was just trying to bring them out a little bit more so they wasn't looking so light.
They're still light. Where are they? What did you do?
No, you look so much better now. Wow.
Where?
I made you look so pretty.
Michelle, where's the damn...
Give me, I'm not done.
Okay.
Your initial impression of Eddie when you met him? When you first met Eddie, what was your initial impression?
I thought he was very nice. Nice looking. What I liked about him is how much he cared about loving my daughter. And
you could feel it when you first met him? Or because he was very timid at first?
Well, first he was, yeah, I had to, he didn't talk much. But I'm a talker. I love people, I love to talk. Yeah, overall I thought he was a good dude. It was a good match. And yeah, here we are, almost 11 years later.
No, Mom, 9.
What?
I've been together with him for 9.
10.
No.
Oh.
Somebody said, Mom and Sandy, what was your first impression of Eddie? That was another question. And what did you tell him when he and Michelle told you they was getting married?
Well, he came to me. I didn't tell him nothing. He came to me, asked me for his blessing. He asked permission to marry my daughter, which I thought was very honorable because that's the right thing to do. And of course I gave him my blessing. Love it, Eddie. No family is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
We all have our ups and downs, but through it all, we're family. And at the end of the day, communication and understanding is what gets you through. So I ain't gonna sit here and say, oh, we besties. We have our ups and downs, but at the end of the day, I love him for my grandchildren. I love him for the way he loves my daughter, and that's just life. But yes, he came to me like a man and asked for my daughter's hand in marriage, and I approved.
Who's your favorite grandchild? Don't lie, everybody has one.
Well, Lyric, of course. I had her for 5 years, and I delivered her.
So you're admitting she's your favorite one?
No, listen, let me explain to that, because there's more to it than that. When you say favorite, I love all 3 of them the same. There's no difference. What I do for Lyric, I do for Mia and Justice. I don't go and buy Lyric an outfit and not Mia, ever. Mm-hmm. But I never do that. You know that. Mm-hmm. When I say favorites, because I had her for 5 years by myself. Mm-hmm. And they know that you were going to plan on having any more kids. So we had a special bond, just the 2 of us. So then I had to share her. I had to spread my love with 2 more people. That doesn't mean that I love Lyric or Justice any less. Just my best buddy. That's why she wants to be with me every weekend. We have a special bond. Even when she comes over on the weekend, she gets up and does this. She caters to me because of my knee surgery. I don't have to ask her to do stuff. She'll go and wash the dishes.
So it's like a different type of bond because it's your first grandchild, your baby having a baby, so your attachment is gonna be stronger because it is your first grandchild. Mom, I told you to get that nose piece.
I said get the scissors. Baby,
we're doing the final touches. The lower lashes, Mom.
Wait, I don't.
Close.
I don't like it. I don't do the bottom lashes. Wait, I'm getting nervous.
Sit up. Mom,
ow!
You're messing up the lighting.
My knee.
Alright guys, so what y'all thinking? Is we twinning or not?
Are we not?
You gotta talk like me. Simply shall?
Simply shall.
How I talk? Period poo.
Period poo poo.
Like this, period poo.
Period poo.
I feel like you look just like me. You got a little more melanin than me. And a little bit more gray hair, but show them the size of the edges though. Yeah. Can we take a second to look at the edges? Head down.
Tip my neck right there.
Mom.
Again.
Turn around.
Ah!
I'm trying.
You're snapping my neck.
What? We have a couple more questions and then we're gonna end the video. Somebody asked, would you get married again? Would you get married or again?
Absolutely. Been there, didn't work out. But sure, if God put the right man in my path, I would get married again.
Is there any qualifications that they must have before?
I have a list.
Give me 3 things.
Don't want me to go down a list.
Give me 3 things.
Job.
J-O-B.
Credit.
Crib. Extra bonus. They need to love the Lord.
I was just getting ready to say that. Must praise God. To me.
Somebody said, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
My anger. I have anger management. but at least I'm working on it.
So you have anger management, or you need anger management?
I have anger management. Just go to therapy.
If you go back in time and change something, what would it be?
I probably would have forgiven my first baby daddy. We'd probably still be together, but he cut too hard.
You want one?
What is it?
Vanilla wafer.
You want that? No, never mind.
We have
I
done
would have
differently.
stayed on the straight road. I wouldn't have turned left.
You wouldn't have went on the yellow brick road?
I would have stayed on the yellow brick road and not went black. Because I didn't stay on the yellow, I went black. We don't need, that's another video.
I miss Sandy B.
Oh,
Hi, Miss
okay.
Sandy B. Would you ever think about starting your own cooking channel? I think it would really go well for you.
Actually, I've been praying on it, and Michelle's been talking to me. And you know what? We'll see. Look out.
I told her I think she would be really good at not only doing a cooking channel, but just doing a story time, because she has a lot to say, and she's been through a lot of things in her life. So I feel like she could be able to touch other people, and people can really get to know her besides just because she can cook. So what you thinking about your final results? That's what I want to know.
I think you look like me,
I think you look like me.
but I'm your mother.
You look great. The globe was
Thank you.
amazing. Did y'all see how she just, the globe was real.
Anyway, this is my best friend.
Besties for life.
Ever.
Ride or die.
Ride or die for life.
You got to be tight with your mom.
If you only get one,
One.
cherish her,
That's it.
love her, buy her the flowers while she still can smell them.
Mm.
Because once we lay down, we don't know. We can smell
Lay
them.
your head on my pillow.
It's not good, but your shoulder.
Alright guys, so this video has come to an end. If you guys enjoyed this video of me getting my mama right and transforming her into me, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see my mom back on my channel again, then comment down below what video ideas you want me to do, and I'll bring her back on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next video.
Peace.